Okay. Okay, so here we are at Bergen County Horse Rescue in Mahwah, New Jersey. I'm here with Aaron, the founder. You've had this place for about 7 years.
Correct.
Well, you've been in the horse business for 20 years, and rescuing horses, but
Yes.
as a nonprofit, oh, who are you? Who's this?
This is Leo.
Hi, Leo. Tell us about Leo. Breed, age, how you got him.
Leo he's a grade horse.
Grade
basically a mutt.
Yeah.
So probably quarter horse and whatever else is mixed in there with him.
Mm-hmm.
He's been here for 15 years. He was 5 when I got him, and he's turning 19 on
Wow.
August 20th. That's his birthday.
So you got a birthday coming up in a couple of
He does have a
months.
birthday coming up. He's a rescue, but he actually came in from Mexico. Came in with a bunch of other horses. I found out about him.
What was he doing down in Mexico?
I don't know how it was, if he got originally shipped down there, through the auctions, and then somebody scooped a bunch back up and came back across.
Okay, so you made it
border.
back.
So he made it back.
Made it across the border.
He
And,
was diagnosed at 6 years old. He came down with Ehrlichia, which is a tick-borne disease. Then he ended up with, many years later, he got something called purpura, which is basically a secondary infection to a respiratory infection. And he filled up with vascular fluid all over his whole body and was in the hospital.
So he had edema all over the place.
All
right?
over the place. And if you look at his back leg here, so he is sensitive on this leg, so just letting you know, he has this scarring here. That was from the fluid seeping out of his skin. So it burst holes through the skin and seeped out. He
right
will
in
lift
here.
it up. He won't kick with it. It's just the skin is so tight. That's just the way it healed. So we're always putting, some sort of ointments and lotions and potions on it, but it's just taut and tight skin. And then as of recent years, he ended up with 2 more active Lyme infections.
2 more Lyme infections.
So
And did that affect his nervous system, his spine, his ability to walk?
he is overall very stiff. He has more front right lameness. So I don't really know. Can't really pinpoint one thing. But if there's any way just to make him generally more comfortable with his stiffness, he's the leader here. He's the boss man. So he's a very, very, very special horse to me especially. And I just want him to be as comfortable as possible.
Leo.
Leo.
Do you think I could work with you, Leo? How do you feel about that if I gave you a little tune-up? Do you feel that's okay? Gotta ask, right? It's nice to ask. Is that okay if I work with him, Aaron?
Absolutely.
All right. So let's just see what you feel about up here. I'm gonna start so small. And I'm up here at the pole. Good. On the right, I can easily get 2 fingers in this space. On the left, I barely can get 1. Got it. You can hear that click, right? So that was his reaction. He wanted to rub his lips on the box and finally lick and chew a little bit. But do you notice he got like a little relaxed and he's breathing nice. He just mellowed out a little bit with that. Yeah? Good. Good. Okay, I might do a little more at the pole because what I'm doing is getting him to work his lips a little bit. That made a big crack. Did he just open that?
He did.
He's thinking, I want to go lay down for a little while. Catch a snooze. Do you think he would go right in and lay down?
He would go right in and
And not come out for a while. That was pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, good. Look at that. Doesn't that feel better? All right. So you said it's the front right leg, right?
yes.
Let's have him walk for a minute. Go in a circle. What did you
Left.
see? What?
Left.
Yeah. All right. Can I
Sorry
look at
for
your
the
front
dust.
left? What do you think of that? All right. Good. Okay, a little bit there. It's a little tender. Good. Okay. Good. Good. I'm gonna do a little bit here. As soon as he gets it straight again. Okay.
I heard that.
I would call that a good reaction.
I would say so.
All right, let me just pick up this front right. May I get this front right for you, Leo? I think there's something left on the front left that I have to do. Yeah, so if I go to the top of the scapula, now their scapulas are on the side, humans were more on the back, but the front left scapula is down, and I want to lift it a little bit. Here we go. There's one here I want to get, okay?
Okay.
This might be the last thing we need to do.
Okay.
So that's 6, 5, 4. So actually, right there, L2. Right there, Leo. You can feel that one, right? Blink your eyes a little bit. Big breath in, everyone watching. Leo, take a breath. Come on. Let's do a few more, Leo. Ooh. And let's do sacral base posterior. It's center, but sacral base posterior. Okay, that one was good. I'm gonna do a little something on his jaw in about 3 seconds.
Oh.
All right, Leo. Thanks for working with me today. Everybody leave Leo a nice comment. He's one of the papa bears around here, right?
He is.
He's like a patriarch.
He's like the mayor.
The mayor, you're the mayor. Great to know you. Thanks, everybody. Did he just open that?
He did.
He's thinking, I want to go lay down for a little while.